Hello and welcome to Tutoring Success, my Level 7 Pioneers. Today we are going to be looking at our fourth theorem, which states that angles subtended by a chord or an arc at the circumference of a circle on the same side of the chord are equal. What do they mean, guys? They basically mean that A is equals to B, right? That's what it simply means, guys. And then we also have another situation where you are going to say C is equals to D. So in that case, you are simply going to say angles subtended by the same chord. By the same arc. So AB is our arc. So your reasoning is going to be angles subtended by the same arc, right? And then when you are saying A is equals to B, so angle A is equals to angle B, you are going to say it is subtended by the same chord because we have this chord of CD. So let's jump on to one of the practical questions and let's see how does this theorem affect our understanding of Euclidean geometry. Okay, my level 7 pioneers, remember the procedure. We are going to read the statement, analyze the diagram, and then we can start reading the question. So they are saying in the following diagram, circle ABCD with center O is given. Angle AOB is equal to 88 degrees. That's our statement, and I feel like they included everything on the diagram. So let's start analyzing the diagram, right? So we are going to start looking for equal lines. So we know that OA is our radius and OB is our radius as well, and OC is also our radius. So what does that mean? It means that our base angles here, they are going to be the same, since triangle AOB is our isosceles triangle. So B1 basically is also equals to Z, right? And then after that, we are going to take a notice of this arc, guys, as we were studying right now. So our arc BC, let's look at our arc BC. Which angles do they subtend, or which angle does it subtend at the circumference? We can easily see that Z and Y are going to be the same, or angle A and angle D, they are going to be the same, or they are going to be equal, right? So another thing that I would like us to take a note on is that we can see that AC is our diameter, right? So since AC is our diameter, which angle does it subtend at the circumference is angle D, meaning that angle D is equals to 90 degrees. Our reasoning is going to be angle in a semicircle, right? And then another thing that we can take a note of is that we can see that angle AOB is 88 degrees, right? What does that mean? It means that X is equals to 44, right? Because we know angle at the center is 2 times angle at the circumference, isn't it? So I feel like we have analyzed enough and we can try to answer the questions now. So what is our first question? Our first question asks that calculate giving reasons the size of X, Y, and Z. So since we have solved X, we can just say angle AOB is equals to 2 times angle ADB, right? ADB. Our reasoning is going to be angle at the center is 2 times angle at the circumference. So after that, guys, we are going to substitute. So our AOD is 88 degrees. Our ADB is going to be X, right? So since we are solving for X, we are going to divide both sides by X. So 88 divided by 2 is going to be 44 degrees. So that's how we get X, right? So we can say we can say angle ADB, I mean ADC, angle ADC is equals to 90 degrees. Our reasoning is going to be angle in a semicircle, right? And then after stating that, you need to say x plus y is equals to 90 degrees, because angle ADC is actually x plus y, isn't it? So we know x is equals to 44 degrees plus y is equals to 90, and then we are going to transpose y is going to be equals to 90 minus 44, and 90 minus 44 is going to be equals to 46 degrees. So we also know that y is 46 degrees. So from here, guys, we can simply say angle BAC is equals to angle BDC, right? Our reasoning is going to be angles subtended by the same arc, right? And after that, we are going to substitute. So what is our BAC? Our BAC is going to be Z, and our BDC is going to be Y, and we know that Y is equals to 46. So there are many ways to solve this question, guys. I feel like we can do more than 2 strategies to get Z. So if this video is valuable to you, please don't forget to poop that like button. And on our next video, we are going to focus on our 5th theorem, which is examinable, guys. So we are going to go through the proof, and then we are going to go through some of the practical questions. So on to our next video.